Good morning, sir. My name is Harshujan. I'm a second semester PGDM student. I'm here to present my case study. My case study is number 32 about servant store versus shopper stop. The case study is of city Chennai, where a local store named Servant Store is prevailing with a very good turnover, giving a tough competition to a brand known as Shopper Stop. Shopper Stop, as we all know, is a very big brand, right? We all are familiar with Shopper Stop. Air conditions, infrastructure, well dressed employees, highly qualified management, outlets with an area of 2,25,000 square feet. And on the other hand, if you talk about Servant Store, it is a very typical and desi store with an outlet of 25,000 square feet, very shabby exteriors which had not been whitewashed for like from 3 to 4 years, untidy dressed employees, typical signboards, digital, not digital but a typical cash payment, and signboards like no trials and all are placed over there in the store. But the main and important thing about the case study is that Servant Store is giving a tough competition to Shopper Stop. Shopper Stop, being a very big brand name and having 3 stores in Chennai, just have a turnover of like 120 crores. But on the other hand, Servant Store, which is a desi and a local store, has a turnover of 600 crores and a footfall of 20,000 customers per day. Now just imagine Shopper Stop. If I talk about the prime parameters criteria, Shopper Stop stand here and Servant Store stand here. But if we talk about the turnover, then Servant Store is here and Shopper Stop is here. So Shopper Stop is here. And how it's possible? So, being an MBA student, I have made certain analysis about the case study. My first analysis and the most important one is positioning. Servant Store basically cover all the major segments of the Chennai: lower class, lower middle class, and upper middle class, or from government employees to all the daily wage earners are covered and being engaged in purchasing their clothes from servant stores. Why is it so? Because the first important factor is affordable pricing. Servant Store offer very affordable prices to all the people who go for purchasing there. Second thing, indigenousness. People of Chennai feel attached to servant stores, which they do not feel when it comes to Shopper Stop. Languages, employees of servant stores, they are all local. People feel connected. They can talk to them in their local language. But when they go to Shopper Stop, they have to talk, with etiquettes in English. They feel shy. They feel inferior when they go to Shopper Stop. They don't feel the same when they go to servant store. Second thing, the servant store is deep rooted with the employees. Shopper Stop is not, because servant store has only one store which is prevailing in Chennai only. So it's their local company. But on the other hand, if I talk about Shopper Stop, it is a brand name which has its store all over the major cities. So I would say that it's a sense of belongingness and attachment which the customers and the people of Chennai feel with servant store and not with Shopper Stop. Now come to SWOT analysis. Strength of the servant store, its positioning, is affordable priceness, is indigenousness, and the deep connection with the customers. Weakness is the infrastructure, the untidy employees, typical payment of cash, all those signboards. Opportunities are all those which are, as I would say, servant store deals in clothes. It can go for other accessories, all the related accessories to the human beings, and all of big and variety of clothes they can offer to the customer. Second thing, they can go for digitization. Threats, if I talk about threats, then threats is all the others retailing clothing stores which are prevailing in the city, which are operating in the city. For example, Vishal, Mega Mart, Big Bazaar. We all are familiar with these names. As my individual assessment is about the case study is that being a Shopper Stop, a big and a renowned brand name, is not deeply connected with the customers, because brand such a big brand, they only care about their brand image. They spend crores on the customers, on the advertisement, on the infrastructure, but they forgot to work on the most important factor, which is customers. Servan stores, which is a local store, has not have a qualified management, but they assess the requirements of the customers, which is a very important factor. You should know what your customers are required, and you should focusly deal with that. Shopper Stop has spent its money, its infrastructure, but Servant Store had not done that thing. Its infrastructure is a very basic and normal infrastructure. When what is the Servant Store is offering to customer is appealing to them, which is not appealing from the Shopper Stop point of side, I would say. So people from lower class to upper middle class, they prefer going to Servant Store instead of going to Shopper Stop. And if I talk about the turnover, why the turnover of Servant Store is 600 crores and on the other hand the turnover of Shopper Stop is 120 crore, is because of the coverage. Servant Store covers maximum of the classes, citizen classes, but on the other hand Shopper Stop is only cover the high class, or I would say the upper class. All the other citizen classes being covered by the Servant Stores. Conclusion in the end, I would like to say is, customer are like god for a company. Marketing and sales is all about how you can deal with the customers. You should not, sometimes display is not all what matters is. You should identify, you should cater what your customers are required, and after working on that, what you'll offer to the customer, and if they get attracted towards it, then the result will be tremendous. Thank you so much.